How to fix the low memory in the Roblox mobile. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix this. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your phone settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and go in the general. From here you have to click on the iPhone storage. Now if you are in the Android you have to go in your app management settings. From here you just have to scroll down and click on the Roblox. So once you are in, you have to click on the offload app and here you have to offload your Roblox. Now by offloading it, you are able to free up the storage that is used by the app. So basically it reinstall your Roblox. But if you are in the Android, you have to clear the cache of your Roblox. And after that you have to go back and go into your app store or the play store that you are using and go in the search and you have to search for the Roblox. So once you are in, just have to click on it and here you have to make sure that you update your Roblox with time to time, because once you update your Roblox you are able to get the latest version of your Roblox without low memory. So this is how you can fix the low memory on the Roblox mobile. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.